my name is Sophia, and I want to speak to my experience with Pitt's data recovery services. I unfortunately had a hard drive crash and lost all of my important files on it, and I was devastated. So I went to several other companies, even shipped the hard drive out to a large well-known company who had deemed the hard drive faulty and were unable to help or retrieve any files for me. So I then came across a case study by Pitts on a case that was similar to mine where they were able to be successful, and I had some hope. I reached out, and they were very confident and promising from the beginning. They were able to recover all of my files within 5 days, even though I selected a 4-week turnaround plan, and they were very, very communicative along each step of the way. So I honestly cannot recommend them enough, and will 100% be using them in the future should I ever have a situation like this again. Thank you.